So today I am reviewing this lapel mic that I got from Amazon. I purchased from Amazon. I'll move my camera out of the way right now. So I already opened it a bit so you guys can see, but this is the cable that attaches to the lapel mic, and it is a great deal of cable. So if you're recording from a further distance from your where your camera is set up, I think it's great for that. Sorry about that. And here is the part that attaches to either your iPhone or your camera. It can go on both, and I have still some cable here, so you see that it's pretty long, and this will attach to your shirt or wherever you're going to place that. And here is where the battery goes, and I already put the battery in here, and it comes with the battery, so it just goes right in there. Easy to put in there, easy to unscrew, as you can see. And so in here we have accessories, and this just in case you need to use it to take your battery in and out. So in here we have extra batteries that came with it. I didn't purchase these, this came with it. Also an extra clip, as well as a different type of jack that you may possibly need for your microphone, and it fits right in there. I'm not gonna put it all the way down, but that works out there. And then in here are buffers. So you have the white one here, and that will fit right over the microphone if you need to use that. There's the hole there. And then you have two extra one of these, even though you got one here. So I'm just going to show you how to attach it to your shirt or wherever you're going to put it. So if I were recording, I would just simply attach it to my shirt here, just like that, and it sits perfectly. The clip here is very sturdy. The cable seems very sturdy. This is a little switch, and it has cameras, off, or smartphone, so you can select which one you're recording from. For my camera, if I was going to plug it in, I actually am recording from my cell phone right now, just so I can show you the product. Sorry. So you just stick that right in there and then begin recording, and it will give you that sound clarity that you need to record a video. So I think this is an A+. It gets an A+ in my book. I definitely give this 5 stars.